6, 7, 8.
I can do all the dances, but I just can't handle a tango. The tango is the one dance that's really got me beat. The rhythm of the music gets to me, the words of the song and the melody, but my feet won't follow, so I think I have to give in gracefully. I can waltz and I can two-step, I can't even do the light fandango. I can stomp and I can swing without ever putting a foot wrong. This tempo really gets the better of me. They just can't seem to make me see the way to do it right, so I think I have to sit and be lonely. The tango is the one dance I just can't seem to master. And try as I may, I just can't get it right. Desperately trying to understand the rhythm and the music coming from the band. If I can't get it soon, it looks as if I have to stay all night. I can do all the dances, but I just can't handle the tango. The tango is the one dance that's really got me beat. Of the music gets to me, the words of the song and the melody, but my feet won't follow, so I think I have to give in gracefully. The dances, but I just can't handle the tango. Tango is the one dance that's really got me beat. The rhythm of the music gets to me, the words of the song and the melody, but my feet won't follow, so I think I have to get in gracefully. No, my feet won't follow, so I think I have to get in gracefully.
This dance is Tango with the Sheriff, choreographed by Adrian Chun. It's a 48 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, forward hold, side together, back hold, side together. Section 2, left to the side, drag it right over 2 counts, touch or stomp. Right to the side, drag your left over 2 counts, touch or stomp. Section 3, cross rock, recover, step. Hold, cross, rock, recover, step, hold. Section 4, turning jazz box, cross, back, turn a quarter left, forward, jazz box, cross, back, side, together. Section 5, weave, cross, side, behind, sweep your right behind, side, cross, point left to side. Last section, step left, flick your right, cross for right, flick your left, rock forward, left, recover, step on left, together. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.